Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to use green screen on CapCut. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing out on any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is open up your CapCut app on your phone. You can either create a new project and upload a video or continue on with a current project, whichever. So I'm going to click on a project of mine that I've been working on. Wait for it to load. And now once your video is loaded, click on the overlay button down below and then click on add overlay. And now click on that green screen that you want to use. So for this example, I want to use this eagle. So I'm going to click that and then click on add. And now as you can see, that's been added below that video. And now what you need to do here is to position that green screen of where you want that object to go. So on this eagle to fly around the bottom here. So I'm just going to quickly edit this, make it smaller, like so. I want the eagle to fly around there. And once you've found the positioning for where you want that object, head down to the bottom of your screen and scroll across and look for remove BG. There it is there. And then here you got three options: auto removal, custom removal, or chroma key. I suggest using chroma key. So click on the chroma key and now you've got the color picker. So now we want to adjust this like so to get rid of the green. So as you can see, it's green. And then click on intensity and just scroll this across like so. I reckon about there looks good. And then click on done. And now if I play this video, you'll see this eagle flying around like so. And then once you've done, just click on download as you do with other videos to download. So yeah, that's it guys for the end of this video, how to use green screen on CapCut. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to the channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.